If this is a painting style that you've always wanted to try, then this class is for you. Let me share with you how I was able to achieve smooth background, control edges, organic marks, and work with a limited palette. Hi, I'm Bianca Lustre, an aspiring watercolor artist from Batangas, Philippines. My first floral paintings are far from my recent ones, but through the years of continuous learning through books, courses, workshops, competitions, and lots of failure, I am happy that I'm now able to paint loose florals with watercolors. In this class, let me share with you my process starting from choosing my colors and swatching them, doing studies, practicing drills, and working on the actual project. I know that this approach works because my in-person workshop students did the same class project. All of them are beginners, by the way, but of course, those of you who have a bit of experience with watercolors are welcome to join in the fun. Upon finishing this class, you can now choose your own reference photo with the same floral structure, do the same techniques discussed to achieve a loose and soft painting style. So if you're ready, prepare your materials and let's get started.